welcome back to the Open Cook. Today I'm going to be doing this gammon joint cooked in apple juice. So what I'm going to do first of all is I've got a pan on over there, and I'm going to get hold of this. And that's going in the pan, and bring that to the boil. Once it's come to the boil, I'm going to empty it out, and then we're going to put the apple juice in, and then top it up with water to cover the joint again. So we'll crack on with that. So that's on the go already. I'm going to do some garlic bread again. You've seen me make this before anyway. And with it we're going to have some small potatoes, just roasted in the skins. Well, boil them, then roast them, crush them with some garlic and all that good stuff, and a nice coleslaw to go with it as well. Oh, and some sweet corn. So we'll bring you back on the stages of that. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so this has come to the boil. So what I'm going to do is drain this water out. Oh. Pour in the apple juice. And the same amount of water. And wipe up the spillage. Put in some peppercorns. And we'll bring that to the boil, and then just turn it down to a simmer. Add some bay leaves as well. So, as for the little new potatoes, we haven't got any. So we've got these potatoes, and they are new because I bought them yesterday. So we're going to use these instead. What I'm going to do is leave the skins on again. Actually, there'd be 2 meals. So there's this one, which I'm doing today, and then there's another one, which I'm going to do tomorrow. So I'll do enough potatoes for today and tomorrow. Pan of water, and just give these a little rinse off, get some of the starch out of it. As you can see, like the colour of the water. Some salt, and what we do, we'll cook those until they're nice and tender. So we'll bring you back then. got our ham done. This dish has been in the oven with olive oil and garlic. There are potatoes which have been steam dried. Some tomatoes. Another little drizzle of olive oil over the top. Italian seasoning. This is really nice stuff. So we'll put these back in and bring them out in a little while, turn them over, and it'll all be good. Just going to break up some thyme. Bay leaves,
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, good. Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me.
Come on! Sorry! Get on with it!
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love.
Okay, so we've got a boiled and roasted ham with a mustard and brown sugar glaze. We've got some garlic bread, obviously. This is like the olive loaf with cooked garlic, melted butter, mozzarella and cheddar cheese on top. We've got potatoes, boiled, roasted, some Italian seasoning, some thyme, and tomatoes, really nice. Got a little mini sweet corn, really nice. Mrs. Irvin made a coleslaw, white and red cabbage, red onion, carrot, and some mayonnaise. So this is going to be really tasty. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, bye.